Hey everybody, I'm gonna be going over the trading strategy with trading with David Tech went over and his top 25 or top 10 strategies of 2025. One of the strategies that he was going into in depth about and saying it was one of his best was the Trendilio strategy. And he has his video about the Trendilio strategy here. I'll link both these videos in the description. So basically, I just coded it and I wanted to backtest it to see what the results were looking like for me. So here's my code, the most important part. I basically just took the Trendilio open source ADX, and then I took his T3 with the 300 moving average and the ATR bands and made my code. So basically, the long condition is that the close is above the T3 and the ADX value is greater than the moving average, and that the Trendilio is green, which is in this case how it's coded is if this variable is 1. And then I calculate the risk distance because he says either do a risk ratio of 1.1 or profit target of 1%. So here I have some code and then basically take the profit if one of take the max of what that is. So here's the code. You can pause here to check it out. Let me know what y'all think. Same, it's basically the opposite for the short. You'd have closes under the T3. Still, the ADX is greater than the moving average because that's non-directional. And uh, the Trendilio is -1, how it's coded for short. So same thing with the risk ratio of 1.1 or profit of 1%. So here is the code, or here's the backtesting results. So for Bitcoin on the 15 minute, right now it's downtrending. So you could see it entered a short because it was the Trendilio was red here, and the ADX was looks like just above the moving average, and ended up getting stopped out because on this candle because the ATR band was so low. But you can see here, like this is probably a good example of a short entry, and so in the I'm gonna turn off my try that again. Short entry here. So basically you have here to here. So that ended up being about a one, yeah, the 1%. And the risk ratio was, let's see, can't really tell from here. Oh, here it is. One, so it's about a risk of 1. So that's an example of the short. And if we go long, you have like a long here and then here. So this was a 2% move, probably 1% actually, but about a 1 or 2% move here. So you got in when it's green, above the ADX moving average, and there we go. So this is on the 15 minute. So you see 43% profitable, 1.0 profit factor, max drawdown 2%, total of 586 trades, not the best equity curve looking line. So the Sharpe ratio is negative and the Sorrentino score. So you try to get Sharpe ratio as close to 1, and this is like 3 or 4 is usually a good one. So it's not very good. I did notice like as you go on the higher time frames, or on the like lower, however you look at it, like the hourly and 4 hour looks better, but then you're not going to get as many trades, more swing trading. So like on the hourly, it jumps up to 51%. So Sharpe ratio and Sortino scores don't like when you don't have as many trades, I don't think. So again, like, not a great equity curve here. It's not a great trading strategy from what I'm seeing. on Bitcoin. The 4 hour was the best. This was 56% with 1.2, which 1.45 drawdown, which isn't the worst, but still not a great Sharpe ratio or Sorrentino score. So yeah, I just wanted to post this because I was just curious. Because David Tech said this was a good strategy. Maybe y'all can comment on better settings. So or better tickers if it was better than Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is one of the strongest assets. So yeah, thanks for watching and talk to you later. Bye.